Let me ask you a question. Did you know that the easiest and quickest way to create an automated online business that produces reliable, recurring income consistently day in and day out is to start your very own digital membership site? If you look around in the world around you today, you're bound to find a membership site everywhere, even online or even offline. And that's because it's immensely profitable. The problem is that most people don't know how to build one. Or worse, you buy a membership script and you think that you got this fancy script that can do everything in the world, and you never really get around to setting one up because you're stuck. You don't know how to set it up. The reality is that setting up membership sites can actually become very tactical if done wrong. And most people buy the latest and greatest software script only to find that it is too complex. Plus, there aren't many tutorials willing to take you by the hand to show you how either. Finally, you're going to discover how to successfully set up a digital membership site that sells and delivers your digital content on 100% autopilot. This step-by-step video course shows you how to properly plan and set up your digital membership site from start to finish. Simply watch over my shoulder and you can follow click by click. Here's a quick video's overview of what we're going to discuss in this particular video course. Video number 1 is going to discuss the introduction, the mindset that you need to be in, and the tools. Video number 2, we're going to talk about your products, what you're selling, who's your audience, and all that important stuff. Video number 3, price points. Video number 4, mapping it out. And video number 5, platforms. Video number 6, required site pages. Video number 7, recommended scripts. Video number 8, setting up part number 1, and video number 9, setting up part number 2. So as you can see, I'm going to take you through the process of planning, through understanding what your membership site is going to be all about, so that when it comes time to implementation, it is going to be easier to do that. And to be quite frank and honest, most of the times people buy a script and they don't do any proper planning, so when they get in, they don't know how to set things up. So we're going to combat that and make sure that you don't fall into the same traps, and you're going to be able to successfully implement all of this. So we're going to follow the simple step-by-step system, and we're going to start setting up your very own digital membership site.